Barcelona and its metropolitan area has a subtropical Mediterranean climate, with mild winters and warm summers. According to Troll-Paffen climate classification, Barcelona has a warm-temperate subtropical climate. According to Siegmund Frankenberg climate classification, Barcelona has a subtropical climate. Barcelona is located on the eastern coast of the Iberian Peninsula, so Atlantic west winds often arrive in Barcelona with low humidity, producing no rain. The proximity of the Atlantic, its latitude, and the relief, are the reasons why the summers are not as dry as in most other Mediterranean Basin locations. Temperature general equals, its average annual temperature is 20 degrees Celsius during the day and 11 degrees Celsius at night. In the coldest month January, typically the temperature ranges from 8 to 17 degrees Celsius during the day and 2 to 10 degrees Celsius at night. In the warmest month August, the typically temperature ranges from 25 to 31 degrees Celsius during the day and about 20 degrees Celsius at night. Large fluctuations in temperature are rare. Seasonal climate Winter. Winters in Barcelona are mild. December, January and February are the coldest months, with average temperatures around 14 degrees Celsius during the day and 5 degrees Celsius at night. Slight frost at night is more common on the hills around the city and in the outer metropolitan area. Frost during the day has never been recorded in the city and inner metropolitan area. In winter the average temperature during the day is 17 degrees Celsius. Only on about 4 days a year does the temperature fall below 10 degrees Celsius. Summer. Generally the summer season lasts about 6 months, from May to October. July and August are the warmest months, with average temperatures around 28 degrees Celsius during the day and 20 degrees Celsius at night. In June and September the average temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius during the day and 15 degrees Celsius at night, and in May and October the average temperature is around 21 degrees Celsius during the day and 13 degrees Celsius at night. Daytime temperatures above 32 degrees Celsius are rare. Transitional months. 2 months April and November are transitional, with the temperature sometimes exceeding 20 degrees Celsius, and an average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius during the day and 9 degrees Celsius at night. Sunshine. Sunshine duration is 2,524 hours per year, from 138, average 4.5 hours of sunshine per day in December to 310, average 10 hours of sunshine per day in July. This is the middling value for the southern half of Europe because in this part of the continent, sunshine duration varies from about 2,000 to about 3,000 hours per year. However, this is 60% larger value than in northern half of Europe, where sunshine duration is around 1,500 hours per year. In winter Barcelona has about 3 times more sun duration than in the northern half of Europe. Daylight. Barcelona enjoys one of the most optimal number of hours of daylight in Europe. Days in winter are not as short as in the northern part of the continent. The average hours of daylight in December, January and February is 10 hours. Precipitation. Barcelona has on average only 55 precipitation days a year. There an average several rainy days per month, ranging from 2 in July to 6 in October. The average annual precipitation is less than 640 mm, ranging from 20 mm in July to 91 mm in October. Humidity. Average relative humidity is 72%, ranging from 69% in July to 75% in October. Snow. Snowfalls are very rare, but slight frost at night is more common on the hills around the city and in the depths of the metropolitan area. 2 heavy snowfalls occurred in Christmas 1962, and according to old news sources, in 1887. In the 21st century snow has fallen on February 23, 2013, February 2, 2012, March 8, 2010, February 14, 2010, January 6, 2009, January 27, 2006, February 28, 2005, February 29, 2004, 18 February 2003 and 14 December 2001. So, Almost each winter could snow once, especially in February. Temperature extremes. The highest temperature recorded during the day is 37.4 degrees Celsius on the 27th August 2010. On the August 2003 reported record, the average maximum temperature during the day was 32.8 degrees Celsius. The coldest temperature recorded was 8.0 degrees Celsius at night on December 27, 1962. Fog. Barcelona is generally a sunny city, however, some days of fog and spells of overcast days are not rare. Sea fog is frequent in early spring, when the first warm African air masses come in over the cold sea water. Thunderstorms, which occasionally reach severe limits, are common from mid-July until November. The most recent major summer storm was on 31 July 2002, when over 200 millimeters of rain were recorded at some observatories. Winds. Though Barcelona is normally not a windy city, it is affected by sea breezes from May-June to September and winds from the west and northwest in winter. Eastern gales sometimes cause floods on the coastline. East and northeast winds can exceed 100 km per hour. In winter, Barcelona is sometimes affected by the Tramontana or Mistral winds, like other places in the northwestern Mediterranean Basin. Sea temperature. Average annual temperature of sea is about 18 degrees Celsius. In the coldest month January, the average sea temperature is 13 degrees Celsius. In the warmest month August, the average sea temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Seasonal information. Because of the mild temperatures, much of the vegetation remains green throughout the year, while the leaves of many deciduous trees do not fall until February. New leaves appear in March. Snow is rare in Barcelona, although there are resorts for winter sports in the Pyrenees 150 km from the city. Because of the climate and geographical location, the city hopes to host the 2026 Winter Olympics. The opening and closing ceremonies, medal ceremonies and indoor sports would be held in Barcelona, while outdoor sports would be held in ski resorts in the Pyrenees, mainly La Molina. Summers in Barcelona area are long and warm. Summer temperatures, above 20 degrees Celsius, begin as early as April, although in this month the sea temperature is still cool, about 15 degrees Celsius. The summer season ends in October, although even in November temperatures can often exceed 20 degrees Celsius and the sea temperature remains mild, 17 degrees Celsius. Over the summer season, the average temperatures is 28 degrees Celsius during the day and the average sea temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. The weather in Barcelona during spring and autumn can be very changeable. During these months it can rain for quite long periods, but consecutive sunny days are also fairly common. The difference between temperatures during day and night is about 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Climatic data for Barcelona area. See also, climate in other places in Iberian Peninsula, climate of Valencia, climate of Madrid, climate of Bilbao, climate of Lisbon, climate of Spain, climate of Gibraltar. References